Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ifra Batul, a student of BA Semester 4. As we know, only 3% of the world's water is fresh and vast majority of it is inaccessible for human use. As a result, water scarcity is pressing an important issue for much of the global population. Let me quickly shine light on the current situation of water crisis in India. According to Niti Aayog report of 2018, about 600 million people face extreme water stress in India. 84% of our rural households do not have piped water access. 70% of our rivers are contaminated. 2 lakh people die every year due to inadequate access to safe water. Climate change is sometimes believed as the main cause of water crisis. But India's current situation is due more to mismanagement, weak governance, and agricultural policies that encourage heavy water use. Successive Indian governments have failed in addressing this issue, and present government have been equally inadequate in tackling the water crisis in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has announced plans to provide piped water access to every Indian household by 2024. But there have been no budgetary increase to support this promise. In fact, budget allocated to the Department of Water Resources have been decreased this year. I would like to put all of your attention towards this data that it was 1.3% in the year 2017 and 18 and 18-19, but only 1.1% in year 2021. We also have to change some of our agricultural practices, as India uses nearly 80% of its fresh water in agriculture, whereas China, which is obviously more populated country than India, uses 60 to 62% of its water in agriculture. And for every 1000 liters of water, China produces 0.46 kgs of rice, whereas India produces only 0.2 kgs of rice for the same amount of water. It is therefore rightly said, India's water story starts and ends in our farms. Despite being populous country with diverse geography and climate, India do not have a comprehensive water policy and no proper guideline for the usage of water by different sectors and states. In order to address India's water problem, it is important to understand that the root of the water crisis of India do not lie in deficient or delayed monsoon as is being made out by Indian media. In fact, it is years of government neglect, wrong incentives, and outright misusage of country's water resources which has led to this crisis. Moreover, climate change will intensify the India's present water scarcity in coming decades. This problem needs to be addressed at various levels and sectors in order to be properly rectified. Increased awareness by the citizens is crucial. Solving this problem means each citizen must be aware of this problem and they participate in the proper conservation and stop misusage of water. At center and state level, development of former water policy is crucial, which will provide guidelines to the citizens and state for the proper usage of surface and groundwater. Only then we can save our country from further water crisis. Thank you very much.